Hi everyone, and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2017 67 Reg 420D M Sport 2-door coupe. As you can see, this vehicle is presented in a Melbourne red, and we have also finished the exterior off with the full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, as well as a brand new set of the 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels. I'll quickly run you through some of the BMW extras that come equipped to the car, and then we shall show you around, and of course I'll also take you through some of the interior details shortly. So it does include the full BMW M Sport Plus package. As you can see, you do also get the full M Sport Plus braking package. We do of course have a facelift vehicle, as you can tell by the very aggressive looking LED front headlamps. You do also get the sun protection glazing. Currently you'll be able to see that we've also got the mirrors folded in thanks to the power folding mirrors. We do also get the very user-friendly system in terms of the comfort access, so we can walk up to the car and simply unlock it via placing our hands on the door handle there, as you can see. In terms of the interior, there is a full black Dakota leather with both the electric movement, memory and of course heated seat options. Again, thanks to that M Sport Plus package. There is the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. We've got the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. The interior and exterior on this vehicle is absolutely superbly presented. There is also, of course, the full Isofix rear bench, as you can see there. That is a 2x2 arrangement with the darkened M Sport headlining. The vehicle itself is covered just over 30,000 miles, and of course, being that wonderful 2-litre diesel variant, produces just shy of 190 brake horsepower. A really powerful yet very fuel efficient vehicle, and especially when it is paired with the look of this one, makes for a magnificent looking and driving vehicle. So I shall now let yourselves have a look around whilst I tour around the car and show you a few of the major details, and then of course we'll go ahead and take a seat inside the car. So hopefully there, guys, you've been able to see not only is it a extremely nicely presented 4 Series 2-door coupe, but we've also got some really nice features to it, including of course that wonderful M Sport Plus package. You will have seen there, you do also get split folding seats within the 4 Series range if you've not yet already seen that. And on top of the already very nicely spec vehicles that they do come with, this one's got some very nice options also. Taking a seat inside now, so now we're sat very comfortably inside a very commanding driving position. I'll just start the car up for you and just run you through a couple of the major features. So there is of course a sat nav. We do have the professional system on this one, so we do get the much larger screen. As I mentioned, it's covered just over 30,000 miles. There is of course that sat nav system, Bluetooth audio and telephone, wide array of multimedia inputs. Going back through into of course some of the major information, which is all of the service documents and service history. That is of course all stored digitally. Next service is not due for 19,000 miles time. Up at service history, there you can see we've got full BMW history. Just below our sliding armrest is a wireless charging dock, another great extra. So there is a look around this fantastic 420D 2-door coupe. I do of course hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. Thank you all very much for taking the time to watch one of our walkarounds. And again, if you would like some more information, I'll leave all of the relevant contact links and website links for this vehicle in our description for you. Thank you all very much. Take care. Bye bye.